Recording.
Uh,
Okay, it's now recorded. So good afternoon. Before we start, can you hear me and see me clearly?
yes.
Okay, that's amazing. So have you studied your lesson?
Huh?
Have you studied your lesson? Did you read
Yes.
material? Okay, so this time we will continue with our lesson. Okay, so that is part one about fishing. Right? So this time I will ask you questions, and all you need to do is to answer. Okay, you need to answer those questions and make sure that you're not going to read the script or whatever written assignment that you have done. You should do it without a copy.
Yes.
Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so this time we'll proceed with our question. So, is fishing a good hobby for you?
Yes, it is an entertaining and relaxing hobby. When you go fishing, you when you go when you go fishing, you spend hours at a peaceful environment which can help you blow off steam after a busy week. Also, fishing ha fish fishing teaches patience as you have to wait a long time for a watch.
Okay, so can you say the word catch?
Catch.
Okay, and please say the word blow off steam.
Blow off steam.
And please say the word busy. Busy.
Busy.
Okay, very well. So I can see here that you have answered yes. So yes, it is an entertaining and relaxing hobby, which is a good point. So it's almost similar to the quick answer that I have given you. Okay. And it also gives quick expansion at the same time, quick happy ending. Okay. So by the way, I will also give you another example for another response. So this is another example for yes and no responses. Okay. Can we also try one more time without or fillers and without repeating any word? Okay. So please be honest. Do not read your copy. Number one, is fishing a good hobby?
Yes, it is an entertaining and relaxing hobby. When you go fishing, you spend hours in a peaceful environment, which helps you blow off steam after a busy week. Fishing also teaches patience as you have to wait a long time for a watch.
Or a catch?
For a catch. Great.
Okay, thank you. So this time, can you say the word which?
Which
Which?
which
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 helps you?
which helps you.
Very good. Okay. So for the last time, I'll ask you the same question and let's avoid repetition of words and please pronounce it correctly, especially the words which, busy, and catch. All right. One more time. Is fishing a good hobby?
Yes, it is an entertaining and relaxing hobby. When you go fishing, you spend hours in a peaceful environment, which helps you blow off steam after a busy week. Fishing also teaches patience, as you often have to wait a long time for a catch.
Very good. So it sounds better than earlier. Okay. So this time, Andrew, do you like eating fish?
Yes, I really love fish because it's healthy and tasty. Rich is rich in omega-3 and protein. I also love the variety too. For example, grilled fish is has smoky flavor, and while steamed fish is lighter and healthier. Eating fish also reminds me family gathering because my parents often prepared it for the special occasion.
Okay. So can you say the words smoky? Smoky.
Smoky,
One more time. Smoky flavor.
smoky flavor,
Okay. Next is gathering.
gathering, gathering,
Gatherings
gathering,
with S. Gatherings.
gatherings,
Good job. Okay. Next is occasion.
occasion,
Occasions.
occasions.
Very good. So please give emphasis to your S, okay? And of course, correct pronunciation of the word. Now I'm gonna ask you one more time. So upon checking here, by the way, that your response is quite similar, which is good. You have a quick answer, we have the quick expansion at the same time, quick happy ending. And now I'm going to send you a sample response that I have made so that you can also maybe try to compare your answer to this response that I have made for you. All right, one more time. Number two, do you like eating fish?
Yes, I really like eat fish because teacher
Again,
yes,
inhale, exhale. Okay, one more time. So, do you like eating fish?
yes, I really love fish because it's healthy and tasty. It is rich in proteins and omega-3 fast food, which is good for your heart and brain. I also love the variety too. For example, grilled fish has smoky flavors, while steamed fish is lighter and healthier. Eating fish also reminds me family gatherings, since my parents often prepare it for special occasions.
Okay, so now I have heard mispronunciation. So, can you please say the word or the words omega-3 fatty acids?
Omega-3 fatty acids.
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 The acids.
Acids.
Good. Okay. Next is also you are going to say grilled fish.
Grilled fish.
Very good. So that's how the way you say it.
Fish.
Grilled, grilled. Can you say
Grilled.
grilled fish?
Grilled fish.
Okay. So now, for the last time, let's avoid this mispronunciations. So, do you like eating fish?
Yes, I really love fish because it's both tasty and healthy. It is rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which is good for your heart and brain. I love the variety too. For example, grilled fish has smoky flavor, while steamed fish is lighter and healthier. Eating fish also reminds me family gatherings since my parents often prepare it for special occasions.
Okay, good. Thank you for giving emphasis to letter S. All right. So this time, let's proceed with number three. But before we proceed with number three, do you have any question in number one and two?
No.
No questions. Okay. So now let's proceed with question number three. Have you ever been to a place where there are lots of fish around you?
Yes, last summer I went to the beach with my families and we took on a boat trip into the sea. The water was so clear that I could see everything. I I could see a school of fish around us. It is very exciting that some of them came very close to the boat, and I could even see their shapes and colors clearly.
Okay. So can you say the word shades?
Shape,
Shades.
shapes
Okay. Now can you say the word around us?
around us.
Okay. So this time let's avoid fillers. So I heard that you say that I can see. So please avoid that one. Now let's ask, or I will ask the question number three one more time. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll start. Have you ever been to a place where there are lots of fish around you?
Yes. Last summer, I went to the beach with my family and we took on a boat trip into the sea. The water was so clear that we could see the a school of fish around us, and it was really exciting that um, some of them came very close to the boat, and we could I could even see their shapes and colors clearly.
Okay, very well. So lesser filler. Now let's proceed with question number four. Is fishing popular in your country?
Yes, fishing is quite popular in my country. Many people do it for again, again,
Again,
teacher.
okay, we'll do it one more time. So, is fishing popular in your country?
Yes, fishing is quite popular in my country, especially in coastal area or place with large rivers. Many people do it for a living, but while while others just like see it as a relaxing hobby. Every weekend, you can often see families or groups of friends fishing at the lake or along the shore. It is a part of our culture because fish is an important part in the daily meals.
Okay. So, let's say the word relaxing.
Relax,
Relaxing.
relaxing.
And the other one is weekends.
Weekend,
Okay, one with S. Weekends.
weekend,
With S. Weekends.
weekends.
Yeah. And the last part is large.
Large,
Yeah,
large,
that's right. So,
large.
proceed with the question for one more time. Okay. So, avoid mispronunciation, avoid fillers. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, we'll start. Is fishing popular in your country?
Yes, fishing is quite popular in my country, especially in coastal areas or places with large rivers. Many people do it for a living, but some others just see it as a relaxing hobby. Every weekend, you can often see families or groups of friends fishing at the lake or along the shore. Fishing is it is a part of our culture because fishing is an important part in our daily meals.
Okay, very well. So only two fillers, not bad. All right, so this time let's proceed with question number five. Why do people like eating fish as pets?
I think people give fish as pets because they are beautiful and relaxing to watch. Fish tanks can make the home feel more lively, and watching fish swim in the lake can help you calm down and reduce stress. Also, fish are easier to care for compared to other pets because they don't need like walking or much physical contact.
Okay, so let's avoid repetition of words and let's pronounce the words correctly. For example, let's say tank.
Thanks,
Can you say three times?
thanks, thanks, thanks.
Good job. And the word stress.
Stress, stress, stress.
Good job. Lastly, easier.
Easier, easier, easier.
Okay. Now try to answer the question number five once again. So why do people like keeping fish as pets?
I think people keep fish as pets because they are beautiful and relaxing to watch. Fish tanks can make the house feel can make the home more lively, and watching fish swim in the tank can help you reduce stress or calm down. Fish are also easier to care for compared other pets because they don't need walking or other physical contacts.
Okay. So instead of saying fish are easier to care for than many other pets or to compare to any other pets, why not use this phrase? I'm going to send you our chat box. Fish are also easier to care for than many other pets. Okay, can you say those words one more time?
Fish are also easier to care for than many other pets.
Okay, you need to have a pause. Fish are also easier to care for than many other pets.
Fish are also easier to care for than many other pets.
Good job. Okay, so that's better. So this time, we'll proceed with the garden. Okay, so it's number 6 to number 9. Okay, so the topic is about garden. So question number 6, do you keep plants at home?
Victor, with me, please, because uh I think that in today we just only learn about fish.
Fishing. Okay, okay. So maybe we'll just reiterate questions number 1 to 5, and then I will give you some sample responses for garden. Okay. So can I give you now, and then I will give you a chance to read at the same time while I'll ask you the question. All right. So I'll give you the screenshot. Okay.
Yeah,
Can you see the screenshot now?
with me, with me, please. Yes.
Okay. The screenshot is there, and then I have sent you sample answers for the screenshot. So all you need to do is to read it. Okay. Are you ready? We'll just try to cover also number 6.
Yes.
Okay. So number 6, do you keep plants at home?
I yes, I keep a few plants at home because they have the room look more like fresher and greener. Take Taking care of them is relaxing and they also brings a breath of fresh air. In the future, I would like to grow more flower beds in front of my house because I want to make the garden more attractive.
Okay, very well. So number 7, what plants did you grow when you were young?
Um, I don't think I grew anything. When I was young, I didn't know how much about gardening. I was more interested in playing games and reading books, so I never thought about planting anything.
Okay, so instead of saying I didn't know how much, so you're gonna say I didn't know much about gardening.
I didn't know much about gardening.
Okay, so we'll repeat the question number 7. What plants did you grow when you were young?
I don't know I don't think I grew anything. When I was young, I don't know how much
How much? Not how
I,
much.
I don't know much about gardening. I was more interested in playing games and reading books, so I never thought about
Okay,
planting anything.
one more time. Number 7. Okay. What plant did you grow when you were young?
I don't think I grew anything. When I was young, I didn't know much about gardening. I was more interested in playing outdoor activities or just reading books, so I never thought about planting anything.
Okay, better. So can you say the word much? 3 times. Much.
Much.
3 times.
Much. Much.
Good. Okay, much. Right. I didn't know much about gardening. Okay, so this time let's proceed with question number 8. Do you know anything about growing a plant?
A, a, a little. My mom taught me how to grow vegetable when I was younger. She showed me how to plant seeds and use pruning tools. She also mentioned the best way to water the plants. I don't know everything, but I think I've got the basics.
Okay, so can you say the word vegetables?
Vegetables.
Good job. Pruning tools.
Pruning tools.
One more time.
Yes,
One more time. Pruning
yes,
tools.
pruning tools.
Okay, so I'll ask you the question one more time. So that's number 8. Do you know anything about growing a plant?
A little. My mom taught me how to grow vegetables when I was young. She showed me how to plant seeds and use pruning tools. She also mentioned the best way to water the plants. I don't know everything, but I think I've got the basics.
Okay, good job. So can you say the word seed 3 times?
Seeds, seeds, seeds,
Now please say to plant seeds.
plant seeds,
Huh?
plant, huh?
To plant seeds. To plant
What?
seeds.
Keep
It's here. To plant seeds.
to plant seeds, to plant seeds, to plant seeds,
Seeds.
seeds,
It's a long E because it's double E. Okay, so
seeds,
plant seeds.
to plant seeds,
Okay, can you make it faster? To plant seeds.
to plant seeds,
One more time.
to plant seeds.
Good job. Okay, so this time that's actually connective speech. Now let's proceed with number 9. So do Vietnamese people send plants as gifts?
Yes, Vietnamese people sometimes send plants as gifts, especially on special occasions like birthdays, housewarmings, or New Year. Giving a potted plant or a small flower bed is a way to wish someone good luck, health, and prosperity. Popular choice include bonsai trees, orchids, or lucky bamboo because they're beautiful and have positive meanings.
Okay, so now let's say the words housewarmings.
Housewarmings,
One more time. Housewarming.
housewarmings,
Okay. Choices.
choices,
Okay, one more time. Choices.
choices,
And lastly, meanings.
meanings,
Meanings.
meanings.
Okay, I'll ask you the second question. Do Vietnamese people send plants as gifts?
Yes, Vietnamese pe- yes, Vietnamese people sometimes send plants as gifts, especially on special occasions like birthdays, housewarmings, or New Year. Giving a potted plant or a small flower bed is a way to wish someone good luck, health, and prosperity. Popular choices include bonsai trees, orchids, or lucky bamboos because they are beautiful and have positive meanings.
Okay, so please say the word plants 3
Plant,
times.
plants, plants, plants.
Okay, now let's have connected speech into this phrase. Send plants as gifts.
Sends send plants as gift.
Okay, there's no other. So send plants as gifts.
Send plants as gifts.
As gifts.
As gifts.
Hmm? Okay. Send plants as gifts.
Send plants as gifts.
Good, getting better. Now I'm gonna ask you one more time for question number 9. So, do Vietnamese people send plants as gifts?
Yes, Vietnamese people sometimes send plants as gifts, especially on special occasions like birthdays, housewarmings, or New Year. Giving a potted plant or a small flower bed is a way to wish someone good luck, health, and prosperity. Popular choices include bonsai trees, orchids, or lucky bamboo because they're beautiful and have positive meanings.
Okay, getting better. Good job, I am good. Okay, so these questions number 6 to 9, you need to practice them at home and then you need to take a video as well. Or maybe you can just proceed to the second part of our lesson. I'm going to send you sample responses and also I'm going to send you the handout. Okay, so by the way, I'm
Yeah.
going to download these correction. I have highlighted here the corrections, especially those in the red words or red color words. Those are the words that you need to improve. You need to practice the correct pronunciation of those words. Okay?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
I'll be sending you via Zalo all those things, and then please wait for the sample responses that I'm going to make them. All right. Do you have any question or clarification
Yeah.
about the question?
No.
Okay. So in order for
No.
us to definitely answer correctly for band 5.5, 5.6, all you need to do is to have your 3 Qs. What are those 3 Qs? Can you tell me those 3 Qs, Aintu?
Quick answer. Quick response.
Hmm?
Quick
Expansion.
quick quick expansion and quick happy feelings.
Okay. So quick emotions with happy feelings or different types of feelings. Okay. So that's the end of our lesson. You have further question or clarification?
No.
No questions at all?
No.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So again, please study all of the things that I will tell you. And that's it for our lesson for today. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye. See you.
Right. See, goodbye, teacher.